Shopee Pay not reflecting after cash payment? This issue can happen due to technical glitches or delays in payment processing. Here's how to resolve and handle the situation. Steps to take. Confirm the payment in Gcash. Open your Gcash app and check the transaction history to ensure the payment was successful. Take a screenshot of the transaction details. Check Shopee's payment status. Go to the Shopee app and check the payment status. Under Me in the main menu, then SPayLater, then Transaction. This looks when it is paid already. If it still shows unpaid, note the order number for reference. Wait for payment processing. Sometimes, payments take a few hours to reflect due to system delays. Wait at least 24 hours before taking further action. Contact Gcash support. If the payment is successful on Gcash but not reflected on Shopee, contact Gcash customer support via the Gcash help center in the app or their official website. Provide the transaction reference number and details. Shopee support. Use the Shopee app's live chat or customer service hotline. Live chat via Shopee app. Open the Shopee app. Navigate to the Me tab. Scroll down and tap on Chat with Shopee. Select Chat with Live Agent. Provide the order number and payment proof, Gcash screenshot. Recheck with both platforms. If the issue remains unresolved after contacting both, request Gcash to issue a refund or confirm if the payment was credited to Shopee. Monitor updates. Check your email or Shopee notifications for updates about your payment status. That's it. Hope it helps.